how to extract audio from a video to a video text script automatically generated. It can be done easily and for free with a very famous tool, YouTube. So here I have this video that I've generated. I have more videos and I want to extract the audio and have it as a text script. So what you can do is go on YouTube. If you don't have an account, of course, you have to create one. And if you already have an account, it's even easier. Once you have your account, go to YouTube Studio and so studio.youtube.com, and here click on create, upload a new video. I have already uploaded videos because once the videos are uploaded, it takes some time depending on the video length. After a while and after the video has been fully processed by the system, you can open it. So either as a draft or as a video published in private, because probably you don't want to make it public. So if your video has been processed as draft, simply click on details. Then here go on the video elements tab. And here, after a while, you will have your subtitles. So to give you an idea, for 5 minutes video it in English, it might also depend on the language, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes to generate the subtitles. So once your video has been processed, go to this tab here in subtitles, click on edit. And once you are in edit, here you have actually the whole script of your video. But now this script might be not so good. Here, for example, we can see there are some typos. He didn't understand well some stuff that was said in the audio. So what you can do, again for free, is to copy all this text or extract the subtitles. Personally, I prefer to extract the subtitles, but you can do both. So if you extract the subtitles, the transcript here is only in text format. But if the video has been processed and published, you have 3 different formats. We might have a look later. So here, now that you have everything, just copy it and go in ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT create a new create an account if you don't have one, then create a chat and tell him improve this text script extracted from a video to be readable by a speaker, for example, and make sense. And here I paste the whole text. Let's just check that the end is the same, because sometimes the text is truncated because it's too long. So here it's the case. For example, the end of text here is your data, but here it's not. So it means some of it is here it is. Okay, I didn't scroll to the end. Here it is, interacting with your data is the end. Okay, because in ChatGPT the length of the text string is limited, but here we have the whole text. Now let's ChatGPT do its magic. So now it is actually, yes, reading the text and updating it, make it readable, make it make sense, because as you can see on YouTube, what is extracted doesn't always make sense. There is no phrase, no sentences, no paragraphs. It's just a big chunk of text. Now, this is from a draft where you only extract a text file like this that doesn't make so much sense. Okay, this card changes. Another solution, if your video has been published, so you can actually do it, we can do it with this video actually to check. So go to your draft in the visibility tab. For example, this one I want it private only. I just want to extract the text. I don't want it to be published. Save it. And now after a while, so if we open it right away and we go to subtitles tab, oh, we have already the subtitles. So in the subtitles, you can click on the burger and here have download. So you have 3 different formats, VTT, SRT, SBV. And if we go have a look, VTT looks like this. So you have first some metadata, then you have the timestamp for each chunk of subtitles, and you have the subtitles. This is VTT format. And SRT format, you have the number of the small sentence part of text in the subtitles, the timestamp, and the text. And you have SBV, maybe my favorite format for this exercise, where you only have the timestamp and the subtitle that appears on the YouTube video. So the same, if you go then with an SBV file, so I did it already, to ChatGPT, and oh, I don't have my chat anymore. If I just maybe reload, I don't have the chat I just created today. Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. So here I pasted the whole SBV subtitle file content, and I asked ChatGPT to transform this caption in .sbv format in normal paragraphs and improve them to be eligible. It should be not eligible, but readable by a speaker. And here I have the whole text. Anyway, ChatGPT understood, and it turned my subtitle file into some text that can be read and is easy to reuse, for example, in the presentation or in anything you need. So simple and easy to use, the YouTube video subtitle option that is free to use, coupled with ChatGPT to improve the text, make it readable, make it make sense, transform the small chunks of text into phrases, paragraphs, and improve it to be readable. So good luck creating video subtitles.